Well, hi everyone, and welcome to the Buffett and Beyond Research Saturday Stock Market Recap, June 6, 2026. And remember, folks, if you want to sit on this beach like Jimmy Buffett once did, you've got to learn how to invest even better than Warren Buffett does now. And well, this market this week, the jobs report came in strong, which is usually a good sign. However, that report strikes fear that the Fed may raise interest rates rather than lowering them next time around. And that could hurt an already wounded housing market. In our weekly stock analysis video, well, Marvell Semiconductor is up over 200% this year alone. In fact, most of that rise came about when the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang, said Marvell would be the first trillion-dollar company. And our ETF video, our top portfolios from the best stocks in our favorite ETFs continue to outpace the market. And our growth portfolio is doubling the S&P 500, while our top tech stock portfolio is up over 50% year to date. Well, let's look at the year-to-date returns of Marvell, and we can see that it was a little better than average stock, and then all of a sudden, just a couple of weeks ago, when they came out and they said this company provides the connectors that put the semiconductors together, and they're the best out there, and that's when Jensen turned around and said this could be the first trillion-dollar company. And boy, oh boy, did this stock take off or what. Yeah, we're looking for a little break in here, so we might get into this stock, but not while it's high like this. And today it's up, and I'm recording this Friday afternoon, and the market is down big time, and this stock still goes up. Well, let's look at the S&P 500, talk about being down. And we saw the market make a new high in here at 76.20, and then it dropped down and then came back and hit that 76 level 100. And this little indicator up here, when I say little, it's short term, with the market almost going back to its old new closing high. This indicator did not even go halfway back up, because if in a strong market you want to see that go back up, like over here. See how far it went back up over this point here. Well, it didn't go up very far at all, and then the news came out on the economy and jobs report, and this market just fell apart. 20-day moving average, and it's trading below that as I'm recording this. The problem is, we have a higher high in the market here, and we have a lower high in this indicator here, with the black line turning down over this red line, which is giving us a negative divergence. So we have a higher high in the market and a lower high in this indicator, and we call this our intermediate term indicator. And then when we put in the volatility bands, and these are the Bollinger Bands, the top line is the blue line, bottom line is the blue line, and the middle is the 20-day moving average. Go back up here to this stochastic indicator. We could see definitely it turned down, but it's turned down before, and so we'll see where it goes. But today is a very, very weak day and a very, very nasty day, and this market could possibly go down to this lower band here, if depending on the close. I'm recording this about an hour and a half before the close of the market, so we'll just have to see. Problem is that this indicator, intermediate term indicator, has also turned down, just like the stochastics above, and that is not a good sign. So we're looking at our portfolio protection that we bought some time ago, and right now, as I'm recording this, the SPY is 745. Last week it was 757, so it's down, about 12 points. And then when we look at the QQQs, 716 as I'm recording this, it was 738 last week, down 22 points. Big drop in the semis and the tech stocks. And I'm glad we have some protection on here, folks. So that's pretty good to have on a day like this. But it's a long way down there, so we'll just have to see what happens on Monday. Could be a very, very nasty day on Monday, and then you always have turnaround Tuesday. So we'll just see what happens. But meanwhile, just take the weekend off, get your mind off the market, go for a walk on the beach, go for a walk around the golf course, take it easy, stay healthy, stay safe, be with your loved ones, and folks, we'll see you back here in a couple of days.